Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. I've done a lot of stupid things in my life. In my former career, I have witnessed enough ridiculousness and been forced to say things I didn't want to say, standing there like an idiot, parroting words that made sense to nobody, looking like a clown or worse. So that's one reason why I have not for some time asked for subscriptions, likes, or comments on the channel. When I started doing the longer form videos, I had a friend who told me that I had to do it. Everybody did it, and I sort of followed along with that. And I don't know, maybe there's some value to it. I don't think so. I really don't. I haven't noticed any difference since I quit asking for subscriptions, likes, and comments. I haven't noticed a drop in any of those things. They've all continued to go up. So I don't think it really matters. I just don't enjoy it. There are parts of any job that you're not going to like, parts that just aren't fun. And that was part of this job that I wasn't enjoying, so I just quit doing it. I never enjoyed it in that previous career. I burned out in that previous career. I'm not trying to do the same in this one. So I just quit doing it. But today, I'm going to ask you to subscribe. There is a gentleman with a channel. His name is Terry. He's commented on the Facebook page a time or two. We have communicated within the direct messages on Facebook or Facebook Messenger several times over different subjects. He mentioned in one of his videos that we had corresponded about what to do with the wick for a Beatty jet lighter. He's got several videos up now. I think it's at least 6 or 7 of them. I was over there looking right before I made this video. But Terry is a good guy. He's a fan of Zippo Fanatic 77. He's a fan of our channel. As I said, I don't enjoy the promotional aspects. I don't enjoy the yammering aspects, but I have recently been watching more of One Man and His Pipe, and that is one thing that he has spoken a lot of since he has joined the YouTube community, is how at home he has felt, how he didn't expect that he didn't have any kind of background with social media or anything like that. So I can see where if you didn't have a background in social media at all, that YouTube would really be different. But to me, YouTube is really different, even if you've got plenty of experience with social media. YouTube has been a really good experience for me. It's really, to me, it's incredible how much people take the time out of their day to watch your video. So much time is spent from those who have viewed the videos and then comment down below. It just never ceases to amaze me. You can post things on social media till the cows come home and barely get a like these days. Getting back to One Man and His Pipe, my personal Facebook page, Twitter, any of those kind of things, nobody takes the time. Even your own friends and family don't take the time that my viewers take every day to comment on a video, sometimes practically writing an article about it themselves because the comment is so long. So it just it blows me away, the community that we have here at YouTube. I'm very glad that Terry Travels the Universe is now here with us. As I said, he's publishing video. He's got some show and tell videos up and also a repair video or two. So it's got a little bit of versatility going on. And we need more of that. You know, those pipers, there's a 1,000 of those piper guys out there, the YTPC, and I really enjoy watching them, even though I don't use those same kind of pipes. But we need more lighter guys. And as I said, it really is a great experience here on YouTube. Even if you are not going to try to publish a video every day, even if you don't want to be publishing repair videos, if you don't want to ever let anybody know anything about your personal life, whatever it happens to be, if you have some lighters that you're proud of, if you are a collector and you have lighters to show off, YouTube is a great place to do that. You can upload the video anytime you want. All of you vintage lighter collectors, Zippo guys with all those historic, famous, awe-inspiring pieces, man, you ought to come to YouTube and show them off. It's there's nothing to it, and it's a great experience. We'll welcome you in when you show up. Again, you won't see me asking for subscriptions, likes, or comments on the page, unless, of course, I really need your feedback for a video, and that I do that all the time. I really do value the feedback that I get in those comments, and there's several times that really helps me make a decision as what I'm trying to do with a lighter, or how the next video I'm going to plan, or something like that. So definitely keep that up. But you're not going to hear me out here yammering and wasting everybody's time. Just not going to do it. But I am going to ask you today, definitely go over and check out One Man and His Pipe. We've mentioned him before. Also, though, Terry Travels the Universe. Terry's a good guy. He's over there, as mentioned earlier, making or posting repair videos and also some show and tell videos. And I say we need more lighter guys. I don't want to forget about the ones that have been around for a long time. Daniel Nieves and Magic Lighter, they've been around just as long as I have. There are some other channels that publish show and tell. Of course, Zippo Fanatic 77 Outdoors does show and tell type videos. He does a lot of live streams and repair videos of different sorts, different aspects of repairing a Zippo lighter. He's done plating and etching and different things like that as well. There is a guy named JK. I think the channel is JK's Collection or JK's Lighters. Okay, yeah. JK stuff. Megarong, Comrade T-Man, Zippo Daily Fix, Lighter Collector, Fan Lighters. So we've got a pretty good group there that have been publishing lighter videos for several years now, but there's still plenty of room for the rest of the hobby to come along, and we can just make YouTube our own little lighter collectors club here. We'll be waiting for you guys to come and join the party. Until next time.